And tonight's top story on climate news, where the British Army training unit BATUK launches a 2.78 million Kenya shillings land restoration project for Ilmotiok pastoral communities in Laikipia North. Now, the project will restore 30 acres of community land by growing grass for livestock and is implemented in partnership with Mpala Research Centre. 5 of the 30 acres will be used to grow food crops for the Ilmotiok women's group, improving nutrition and boosting household incomes. BATUK is also donating 20 beehives to the Ilmotiok women's group to support their beekeeping business, increasing incomes while promoting environmentally friendly practices. Beekeeping is a significant agricultural activity in Ilmotiok, supporting sustainable livelihoods, women's empowerment, and human-wildlife coexistence.
Mpala research for this community. Now, I'm really impressed kwa sababu the entry point ni ladies, women. Na tunaongelea mambo ya climate change and livelihoods. Na tukitaka to impact on livelihoods and develop the community, then this is the appropriate intervention. Na lucky enough, we celebrate you, Madam Soipan. We celebrate you, the area member of parliament, because you come from the Ma community, whereby also women have proved that they can make it. Sindio wa mama? We celebrate the cabinet secretary na Madam Soipan. So